Pulling out the coupe at the lot. Told him fuck 12, fuck SWAT. Busting all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box. Had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole damn seal. I'ma get lazy.
Today, me I go went to sign up for my farm work yard, you know.
Come in, please.
Are you a man who give out the card them?
Excuse me?
Yo, I'm me man, Floyd.
Floyd? Who's Floyd? I don't know any Floyd. No mask, no entry, sir.
Yeah,
Sanitize your hand right here, sir. Sir, you don't have any sense or something, sir. Sanitize your hand. Sanitize something that go on your hand, sir.
Ras, no wonder why it tastes so. A jelly water?
No, sir, that's not jelly water, sir. That's hand sanitizer. You use it on your hands. Throw a little on your hands and then rub. Rub. Jesus. You know Jamaicans nowadays, I don't know where they come from, you know. But you don't want green card. I mean farm work card. Okay, sir. This is what I want you to go and do, sir. I need you to do a urine test to see that you're healthy.
Urine? You mean piss?
Sir, urine. We don't use those words here.
Alright.
That way is the bathroom. Just that way.
Female. You make this from them. Female. Oh
my God! Get out! Get out! Get out!
This is the man them.
I said get out, please! Jesus! This what? Jesus Christ!
Yo, sir, see it here now. I got trouble, man. Get going up there.
Jesus! Sir!
Oh, and he cut the two little when I use one back.
Jesus! Hold on. Where's my... Okay. Hold on, sir.
Sir, what you do with it?
How will you eat this morning? Jesus, this stinky. Okay, I need you to fill out the application here. Hold on. I need for you to fill this out. Go to that room and fill it. Make sure you do it good. Jaja, your teeth is stinking.
Age. It's 52. It's a bird. Yes. Type. Yeah, man. Your man gone.
Over here, sir. Over here. You finish?
Oh, yeah.
Now let me see. Give me book number. Hold on, alright. See if I can go foreign. Age. Backside. Floyd. Your age is Floyd. You don't know your age, sir. Age. Yeah, how much? Jesus. Date of
54.
52 this, sir. You don't even know your age. Jesus. Place of birth. Country.
Yeah, you say you don't know.
It's best you go and back up there, no come. You don't stand a chance going up there. Blood type red. Jesus, peace.
You know must know, sir.
Jesus. You know what? Sex. Last night.
Yeah.
Me mean your gender, you are female, male, woman or man. That me mean.
Oh shit. Well, me a man, you know, sir.
All this.
What kind of human being is this?
Go and ask your grandfather.
Why Go on back a country.
But get a chance, no, man.
Yeah, get out of my office. Go on. Security come and get him. He's board. How we are playing? Come out of the office.